In this video, I'm going to show you 10 cool car accessories that you can get on Amazon right now. These are some of the most useful and fun products that will make your driving experience more enjoyable and convenient. Let's get started. The first cool car accessory is the Govee LED car lights. These are smart car interior lights that you can control with an app on your phone. You can choose from 16 million colors and different modes to create your own custom lighting effects. You can also sync the lights with your music and enjoy a dynamic sound-activated atmosphere. The Govee LED car lights are easy to install and compatible with most cars. They are currently on sale for only $16.99 on Amazon, so don't miss this deal. The second cool car accessory is the Drop Stop. This is a patented car seat gap filler that prevents your keys, phone, wallet, or anything else from falling between your seat and the center console. The Drop Stop is made of high-grade neoprene and blends in with any car interior. It also comes with a slide-free pad and a LED light for extra convenience. The Drop Stop is one of the best-selling car accessories on Amazon, with over 60,000 positive reviews. You can get a set of 2 for $24.99 on Amazon and never lose anything in your car again. The third cool car accessory is the Cleaning Gel for car. This is a universal detailing automotive dust car crevice cleaner that can remove dirt, dust, crumbs, and hair from hard-to-reach areas in your car. The cleaning gel is made of eco-friendly and biodegradable material that is safe and reusable. You just need to press the gel onto the surface you want to clean and then pull it back. The gel will pick up all the dirt and leave no residue behind. The cleaning gel for car is a must-have for keeping your car interior clean and fresh. You can get it for only $6.99 on Amazon. The fourth cool car accessory is the Wolfbox G840S backup camera. This is a rear-view mirror dash cam that records both the front and rear view of your car in full HD quality. The Wolfbox G840S backup camera has a 12-inch touchscreen that displays a clear and wide-angle view of what's behind you. It also has a night vision mode, a parking monitor, a loop recording function, and a collision detection sensor that automatically locks and saves the video in case of an accident. The Wolfbox G840S backup camera is easy to install and use, and it can help you drive more safely and confidently. You can get it for $120 on Amazon. The fifth cool car accessory is the car registration and insurance card holder. This is a simple but handy product that helps you organize and store your important documents in your car. The car registration and insurance card holder is made of durable leather and has 2 clear pockets that fit your registration, insurance, license, or any other cards you need to keep in your car. It also has a magnetic closure that keeps your documents secure and accessible. The car registration and insurance card holder is a great way to avoid fines and hassle when you get pulled over by the police or need to show proof of insurance. You can get it for $8.49 on Amazon. The sixth cool car accessory is the Car Chap Lip Balm Holder. This is a cute and practical product that holds your lip balm in your car, so you don't have to search for it in your purse or glove box. The Car Chap Lip Balm Holder is made of soft neoprene fabric and has an elastic band that fits most standard lip balms. It also has a clip that attaches to your sun visor or seat belt for easy access. The Car Lip Balm Holder is perfect for keeping your lips moisturized and protected from the sun while driving. You can get it for $8.99 on Amazon. The seventh cool car accessory is the Trunk Organizer. This is a collapsible storage box that helps you organize and store your groceries, tools, sports equipment, or any other items in your trunk. The Trunk Organizer is made of sturdy Oxford fabric and has 2 large compartments, 4 mesh pockets, 2 handles, and 2 straps that secure it to your trunk floor. It also has a removable cooler bag that keeps your food and drinks cold or warm for hours. The trunk organizer is easy to fold and store when not in use, and it can hold up to 100 pounds of weight. You can get it for $23.39 on Amazon. The eighth cool car accessory is the car interior dust brush. This is a soft bristles detailing brush that can clean your dashboard, air conditioner vents, leather seats, computer, or any other surface in your car. The car interior dust brush is made of high-quality plastic and microfiber, and it has a comfortable handle and a hanging hole for easy storage. The car interior dust brush can effectively remove dust, dirt, and lint without scratching or damaging your car interior. You can get it for $5.79 on Amazon. The ninth cool car accessory is the swinging duck car hanging ornament. This is a fun and adorable product that hangs from your rear-view mirror and swings with the motion of your car. The swinging duck car hanging ornament is made of soft plush and has sunglasses, a chain, and a hat that make it look cool and stylish. The swinging duck car hanging ornament is a great way to add some personality and charm to your car. You can get it for $9.99 on Amazon. The 10th and final cool car accessory is a 3D emblem for car. This is a 3D sticker for your car fender, bumper, or any other place you want to express your attitude. The 3D emblem for car is made of metal alloy and has a strong adhesive that makes it easy to apply and remove. The 3D emblem for car is a funny and edgy product that will make your car stand out from the crowd. You can get it for $5.99 on Amazon. So these are the 10 cool car accessories that you can get on Amazon right now. I hope you enjoyed this video and found some products that you like. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments which car accessory is your favorite, or if you have any other suggestions for cool car accessories. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.